Grandma Blue Grandpa?
Open it.
Open it up. So we can.
Motorcycle.
What?
Motorcycle helmet.
What is it?
Motorcycle.
That's from Blue Grandpa and Blue Grandma, huh? Put it
Put it
on.
on? It's tight, so you gotta push it down hard.
Oh, we got it on there by himself.
Let's see. Man, that's sweet.
We'll have to help you with that part.
Here, let me help you with this, alright?
Oh, wait,
Does it fit good?
No? Yeah.
wait a minute.
Nice and tight? Well, hey, you know what you should go do?
What?
You should go open the front door.
Let's go look at the front door.
A motorcycle? No,
Let's see.
motorcycle.
Open the door. What do you think, man?
A motorcycle.
Oh my goodness, Logan, that's sweet.
Is that cool? Mm-hmm. Should we take it for a ride?
No.
I'll ride it with you.
I don't